It's hot. I'm gonna wash the car. We'll see how that goes. This is how I'm starting this. And oh my god, I look like a thumb. I'm a hello. Okay. Good, what time is it? Good afternoon. It is 90 degrees outside. I'm gonna wash the car with help.
That was a lie.
Hopefully not. I'm gonna learn how today by myself. And that's it. So watch me wash my car. At least attempt to learn how. I don't know.
Here's where I started to think and realize that a normal video like this would take forever and needed some help. So the realization comes now.
You know what this needs? Hold on. I know how to make this better. I'll put it in stop motion. Okay, hello. Now it's time to rinse. I gotta rinse the car real good because if I don't, oh my god, it's gonna be all nasty. Am I recording? Yes, okay. Now it's time for me to like scrub the tires and that thing, that airy, how am I doing this? I don't even know what I'm doing. I gotta scrub that. If y'all wanna watch that, I'll show you how I'm gonna scrub my tires because they have to be super clean and super shiny. And my car is getting shiny. I'm dying. I wanna like stay outside and pour it on me because it's, ooh, and I don't know how to wash the convertible part. I think I'm just gonna scrub it.
PSA, I didn't wash it.
I'll do that last. Hello, if you can see me, great. If you can't, too bad. The other side took forever. And these tiny little, look, oh, where is that? Right here. It's really hard to clean, so it's taking me a while. I mean, I want it to be clean, so that's what I'm doing. I have to make it clean. Ooh, thumbnail. Okay, that's a thumbnail. Yeah, I mean, it's embarrassing. Not really. My legs hurt. You know, I think people take for granted that there's people who actually do this for a living. Like, well, I wouldn't treat them horribly. I'd rather be like, thank you very much. I'll give you like $2,000 because this is really hard for me. I don't know if I'm doing anything right, but it is clean and it is shiny, so that's all that matters to me. Like, I don't know who's gonna watch this. Probably nobody. Probably just me my future self being like, wow, the first time I washed my car by myself on video. Amazing. And just what I did over there, like, I got tired of having to pick it up and stuff. I just tied it on my wrist. Just because it was getting frustrating. I had to like, my leg, it hurts. Look at this. It hurts. Some of these little crevices, they're not that dirty, but like, it's still pretty dirty. Like, it's hard to clean. Hello, new angle. Okay, never mind, not that one. Hi. Okay, I moved you because I wanted you to see how I'm cleaning it, so let me move. So this is how I clean. That's a lie. I'm not cleaning like that. I'm cleaning I can't do it with my left. I have to do it with my right. So sorry if you can't see my face. I get like with my finger, this finger, and I like really hard because this thing is really good to scrub. I mean, that's what it's for, right? Yes. We're gonna put this in the, what is that called again? The montage, the slow motion, stop motion, whatever. Hello, can you see me? I hope you can. My scalp is itchy. My fingernails brittle. Great. I'm soaking wet, kind of, not really. I finished scrubbing this one. I still need that one. Ew, my finger looks nasty. And I still need the other side, but I'm not gonna record that because that's gonna take me too long. And then we're gonna clean the inside of the car. Nah, I don't know where the vacuum is. I'm not cleaning the inside. The inside's fine. All I have to do is literally take out the front, what are they called? The front mats, the tapetes, whatever, and like slap them on the ground and good. I hope nobody sees me doing like this. And if they are, previews. Anyways, these are itchy. Okay, I'm finished, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Yeah, and then I'm gonna rinse the tires, and then I'm gonna go inside, and then I'm gonna go back outside to the backyard. Ew, I'm spitting. That's nasty. Sorry. And then I'm gonna go to the backyard and see what I can do, because I feel like staying outside. I don't want to go back inside. I'm bored. Hello. For the last time, I finished, and look at this. Can you see that? My fingers, like, oh my god. I finished scrubbing. No, first I rinsed it, then I scrubbed it, then I washed each individual tire, then I rinsed my car again because I cleaned it, I dried it. I gotta clean the windows right now because, can you see that? They're like, can you see that? Can you see that? I know you can see that. They're like really like spot, you know? But I think before I do anything else, I'm gonna go cut my nails because I feel like they're gonna break, and I don't want it to like break while I'm, what's it called, shining the car. Like, I'm just gonna get a dry rag and dry it up correctly so there's no wet streaks on the rest of it, and then I think I'm done. we're not done with the video yet, but I'm almost done. You're not almost done, but I'm almost done. But you're not almost done, so I'm gonna stop talking. Hello, I'm kind of back, but I have not returned. I almost forgot. I need to clean the front window. I'm gonna use this one, so I don't have to struggle. Glass cleaner. Perfect. Okay. I cleaned that. Beautiful. And then I cleaned this side, this one also, and see that it looks like it's open, but it's not. It's just that clean. Perfect. And like this side is also that clean. I'm that good, you know. Perfect. And now that I'm done with most of it, like literally I can see like really good through my windows. If I were a fly, I hate that. Okay, anyways, it kind of looks like it's gonna rain, and if it rains, that's fine. My car's already clean. Nothing, a little water won't hurt. Like, who cares? It's just rain. My car is now poopless, bugless, stainless. It's beautiful. Now I just gotta clean the front, and that's it. And then finally, I might just clean a little bit. Nah, I'm not gonna clean the inside. I'll do it tomorrow. I'm really sweaty. And in here, hot. Anyways, I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna finish cleaning, and then I'm gonna show you what I did, the finished look. Oh, so I'm like kind of, I don't know, I'm just very proud. Like, look at this. It's like so clean, and it just really like, wow. This isn't even a montage. I'm just like showing you one side, and then like, wow, I did amazing. Like, look at that, it's shining. I did great. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. I even cleaned all this because like it was dirty, and then I only cleaned this and the windows. Windows? What windows? Those are windows? Windows? That is a window? Oh, it's tinted, sorry. Hold on. Window? This is a window? Yes, because this is a little crack. Anyways, yeah. It is that clean. I did that. Who did that? Me. Nobody else. But you can't even see me. Hold on, let's turn on the light. You can't even see me. Me, I did that. Maria Ling, did that. Can you even see me? I don't know, but I did that. Can I do this? Can I see myself? Okay, yes, I see myself. I did this. I cleaned it all up, and I'm gonna turn off the lights. I feel so embarrassed. Anyways, this is really cool. It tells me that the door's open. Hello, kitty. Hi. Okay. Anyways, I did, and look at this. It's so clean that it looks like a perfect reflection. Like, wow. It's that clean. Is that a reflection I see? Yes. From where? I know that's not a reflection. That's not outside. Is this the reflections I see? Yeah. Okay.